Hello students, today's topic is properties of determinants before exercise 4.2 of chapter 4. First property, if each element in a row or column of a determinant is 0, then the value of the determinant is 0. With the help of example you can understand it. Take a determinant 0, 0, 0, 1, 3, minus 1, 2, 5, minus 4. Here each element of C1 is 0. Therefore, value of this determinant would be 0. Similarly, if we take one more example, a determinant 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, 5, 6, 7, then look carefully. R2, each element of R2 is 0. That's why value of this determinant is 0. Got it? Second point, second property, if any two rows or columns of a determinant are identical, then the value of the determinant is 0. For example, we'll take a determinant ABC, ABC, EFG. Okay. Look carefully these two, R1 and R2. These are identical, isn't it? These are identical, therefore value of such type of determinant would be 0. One more example, x, y, z, x square, y square, z square, x, y, z. Look this one, C1 and C3, look carefully, each and every element same. So it means these two are identical. Identical. What's the value of this determinant? 0. Third property, if any two rows of a determinant are interchanged, then sign of determinant changes. With the help of example you can understand it. Take an example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And we want interchange R1 and R3. So on applying R1, R3, this symbol is known as interchange. This symbol represents interchange. Okay. So if you are interchanging R1 and R3, what happened? What you will get? You will get minus sign outside, 3, 6, 5, 1, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4. Got it? Same thing will be happen in column. Let's suppose that you want to change. Again, we want to change C1 and C2. C1, C2 we want to change. This one. Interchange, okay? What will you get? You will get 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3. But it becomes positive because minus already given. And minus sign after interchanging columns, the minus plus. So that's why it becomes plus. Got it? Now it comes the fourth property. Fourth property is we can take out any common factor from any row or column of a determinant. We can take out any common factor from any row or column of a determinant. What it means? With the help of example, look carefully, we will explain it. We are taking a determinant. It's a determinant. So look carefully, k here, k is also here, k is also here. So we can take out common k and we can write like this, that A, D, G, B, E, H, C, F, I. One more example. Let us suppose that we are taking this determinant. x square, y square, z square, x cube, y cube, z cube. Okay. Look carefully, this first row, x here, x here, x here. We can take common x from first row. Similarly, we can take common y from second row. We can take common z from third row. So what you will get? X is common, y is common, z is common from R1, R2, R3 respectively. So what you will get here? 1x, x square, 1y, y square, 1z, z square. Got it? So we can take out any common factor from any row or column of a determinant. Got it? Fifth property, if some or all elements of a row or column of a determinant are expressed as sum of two or more terms, then the determinant can be expressed as sum of the two determinants. With the help of example, you can understand better. Look here, a plus x, b plus y, c plus z, d, e, f, g, h, I. Okay, it can be written as, with the help of this property, if you are getting such type of determinant, you can break up. How to write it? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Plus, because plus sign here. So that's why plus. If minus sign would be here, then I will write here minus sign. But now, according to this, next determinant becomes x, y, z, d, e, f, g, h, I. Got it? It is property number 5. Now property number 6, the value of the determinant remains same if we apply the operations Ri tends to Ri plus Krj or Ci tends to Ci plus Kcj. Okay? When you will apply these operations, the only change in R1, change in Ri, not in Rj. When you are applying this operation, change in Ci. Okay? But Cj remain same. There is no change in Cj. You have already applied such type of operations in matrices, elementary row transformation. Got it? With the help of example, you can understand it. We will take an example. Determinant ABC, DEF, GHI. On applying R1 tends to R1 plus 2R2, okay, change in R1 only. There is no change in R2. So after applying this operation, what will you get? We will get, first of all, write those rows in which there is no change, GHI, and now here we will get A plus 2D, B plus 2E, and here space is not here, I am writing here C plus 2F. Got it? In this case, value would be same of these two. There is no change in value. Value will be same. Got it? Okay students, we will discuss exercise 4.2 in the next lesson. Thank you.